How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today I'm talking about how I made $10,000 with 10,000 subscribers. So this has been an amazing month. This has blown away my expectations just like every month has. And this isn't meant to be a brag. I'm not trying to brag by any means because I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys watching the videos, appreciating it. And while some other people have had kind of like really easy months to get to $10,000, which anyone that hits $10,000 on YouTube is amazing. But while some people post maybe once or twice a week, I've really had to grind. So it's not quite as glamorous a $10,000 as some other channels where they're just doing evergreen content where they put out one video a week and it's good. For me, I made a lot of videos. I made a lot of videos that I thought would provide value, around 50 to 60 videos during the month. And I try not to spam or anything like that. So it's hard to get good quality videos out there, do that many, and then also work a full-time job. I am still working a full-time job in addition to some other things I have going on. And I want to go through the 5 different ways that I made money from my YouTube channel last month, shedding some light on YouTubers and how they make money and how a small YouTube channel can make money. So I know that I am sitting at about 14 or 15,000 subscribers when I'm making this video, but we gained about 6,000 subscribers throughout this last month. And this was my 4th month of being monetized on YouTube. So about halfway through the month, I was at 10,000 subscribers. So I want to go through it again. It's just the 4th month. You can see some of my old videos. The first month I made around $1,100. The second month around $2,200. The third month around $3,000. And this month I was just trying to hit $4,000. Honestly, I just wanted to hit $4,000 because it would continue that pace. It would about be what I made at work. And I blew that away. So I made a video a couple weeks ago, and at that point, I'd made a little bit less than $10,000. I think I made around $7,500 from YouTube, but now I've surpassed that. This was the end of my 4th month. Hopefully, if you've thought about creating a YouTube channel, this might give you a little bit of excitement. It might push you a little bit harder. I know that JJ Buckner did a video when he hit $10,000 with 30,000 subs. And it blew my mind. I had seen other people make pretty good money, but they had much larger channels. And I didn't really realize that a smaller channel could make a ton of money. And JJ Buckner does not do a ton of sponsored videos. He doesn't sell out to anyone. So that's even more impressive that he doesn't have those large sponsors. Now, for me, the 5th way, and I'm going to go smallest to biggest. So the 5th biggest way that I made money this month was from Patreon. I made $58. I have a Patreon link in the description below where I have a Discord set up where people can join the Patreon. They join the Discord. I tell them what I buy, when I buy it, how much I buy it for. And then they also have access to the community of investors that have similar interests and can talk about stocks. So there are different levels of this from $5 up to $20. But this pays me about $58 a month. I think I have around 14 people or so in there now. Patreon takes out some fees, and I got left with about $58 this month. So it's a cool thing that I think we're going to be able to grow, get a bigger community in there every month. And if you want to join that, you can check out the link below. The 4th way that I made money, and this is exciting because this is something that I'm doing with my girlfriend, is merchandise. So if you look down below the video now, I've hit 10,000 subscribers, so I have a display of my merch. And I wanted to do this with my girlfriend. She likes to do some kinds of designs and illustrations, so we talked about it. We built kind of like a mini business plan behind it. We talked about what we wanted out of it, what kind of value we wanted, the price points, all that kind of stuff. And we went through Teespring, and they allow you to pretty much set up your design and start selling. So I've already bought some for myself and for Megan, and we were really excited about it. So it's financial independence, retire early. If you believe that you want to retire early, it's a good reminder of that. Not working for the man the rest of your life, not doing something that you dislike, doing whatever you want to do, whenever you want to do it. And that is what I want to show in these shirts and sweatshirts and mugs. So we made $58 last month from our merch, pretty exciting because we're splitting the profits on that. I didn't give Megan anything up front to do the illustrations and the design. We worked together on it, and she is going to get some of the profit. So that's really exciting to me. It was merch, $58, and I can't wait to get my stuff. Definitely check that out if you want. The third way that I made money is from sponsors. So I try not to blast you with a bunch of sponsors. I get reached out to maybe about every week or maybe half a week now about sponsors. And as I get bigger, I think that will continue to increase. Some people I've heard get multiple 2 to 3 sponsors a day reaching out to them. I've only decided to do 2 different sponsors. One is for this desk that I use, and I talked about it in a video. It's for FlexiSpot, and I talked about it in a video where I go over my studio. The other sponsor that I have is AssetDash, and you can look at them in the description below. They're an awesome website that's great for stock market analysis, and they don't charge anything. So I am excited about both of those. I think that both you and I benefit from that. So I was excited to do this. It's for $535. I can't tell you how much I made from each, but it is an exciting thing to do, especially going forward. I have ideas for some long-term relationships that I think will be great for you because, first of all, you can see what I like and what I like to use. And you can get some discounts on it for some of the stuff that you have to pay for. Often they'll give me a discount code to give you, and you can save some money. And it's great for me because it's talking about something that I like and I make some money on it. So I plan not to throw out a ton of sponsors to you, but that is pretty exciting from my front. The second way that I made money is from affiliates, and I made $2,716. That's rounded a tiny bit, but that is what I made from affiliates. This is from links like WeBull, Rakuten, M1 Finance. There are a bunch of different links down in the description below. I talk about them pretty regularly. But again, this is something that I think offers you guys value, and then I get paid also for people using the product. So this was an awesome way to make money this month. Honestly, this is a lot of money just from affiliates. I kind of consider every dollar that I make from YouTube ads, I make about 30 to 50 cents from affiliates, which is awesome. This is something that hopefully will just continue to scale with the YouTube channel, and it's just a great way of making some extra income. So thank you guys for everyone that signed up for WeBull. If you guys want to, there is a link down below. You can get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,600 each if you sign up with that. So I appreciate it, and it kicks back a little bit to me. So it really helps support the channel. And the number one way that I made money last month, and I'll show you exactly how this has grown. Well, maybe I'll do that first. So if we look at my YouTube channel, I'm going to show you what I've made in YouTube ads every month since I got monetized. You can see here, the first full day that I got monetized, I made $27.23, went down to 18, went up, went down. You can see here lows of about maybe $14, $15. And then it went all the way up to $82.37 one day this month. It was awesome. And I realized this is a weird date range, but this is the first day that I got fully monetized. You can see here, though, for the month, I made about $1,022.26. So pretty impressive for your first month out. Now, the next month, I didn't actually make that much more money from YouTube ads. My channel was actually pretty stagnant with views. You can see here, I went and started off the month pretty strong, going up to about $55. Then it kind of just stayed around $20 to $30 a day. It kind of went up to 70, saw some big spikes, but then it went down. I actually went on vacation, and when I left, it was only paying me about $9 a day. I tried to do some evergreen content. No one really watched it. So you can see here, I didn't make much money those couple days. I was really down about it. I was kind of getting worried that maybe the channel was dying off. Maybe I can never take vacation, all that kind of stuff. But if we go to the next month, we can start to see it increase a little bit. So you can see pretty low, $14. But then next day, I came out with a great video, had my best day ever at $91.36. This is when I started to think, because I had a couple affiliates come in this day too. I think I made maybe $120 that day. I thought, this is amazing. That $120 was about what I would make if I did that every day. That would be about what I made at my day job. And then it kind of dropped off, but it was still staying relatively high. Then I had this day, $131. That was amazing. I don't remember what I posted there, but I still remember the feeling of hitting that number, hitting over $100 on ad revenue, and it's just being insane. Then a few days later, I hit it again, and it just kept on going where every 6 or 7 days I would hit $100. This little stretch here, I hit over $100 2 days in a row. I'm telling like my parents, my girlfriend, my sister, I was telling all those people how excited I was. And then I had a couple days, I had 4 days in a row that were just about $100. Got to the end of the month, had a little slow couple of days there, and then it spiked. $220. That was just amazing. I mean, I could not believe it. Then this last month, you can see there is pretty much a new bar that was set. If you look here, 161, 145, 135, dipped down a little bit, but then back up, 132, 101, 218, 115, 385. And I realize that this is kind of repetitive, but you can see here, for a couple of weeks, I did not go under $100. If you look here, it dipped down to 73, right back up to 626, basically, the best day I've ever had, then back down, and now it's pretty steadily over $100, usually between $100 and $250 a day just from ads. Now, for the month, if we go back here, you can see I made $6,275.35 from YouTube ads. This is just over 1 month. It is an insane number. I can't even begin to think about it. And I did post a lot of videos. So I posted about 60 videos or so, like I said earlier. But that's still $100 a video. Some of these videos only take me a little bit of time. Now, overall, between everything that I do on the channel, I probably spend about 30 to 35 hours a week on the channel on top of my day job. So it's almost a full-time job. But as you can see from every month, it's just increasing the value. It's just increasing the payments to me. The revenue keeps on going up. So overall, I have made over the last month $9,642.35. Now, I realize this isn't exactly $10,000, but it's so close. I mean, half a day more, one better video, anything else, and it would be right at $10,000. Again, I'm not doing this to brag. I'm not trying to say that it's an amazing thing. I'm not saying that I'm special by any means. All I try to do is provide value. I try to be timely with what I'm doing. I try to continue to grow and just go after it with an intensity that other people can't match a lot of the time. So I try to be as consistent as possible, bringing you guys value. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I mean, I am looking at things I never thought were possible, like stepping away from my day job and doing this full time. That is a possibility now. That is on the table. That is something that I can consider. And I don't imagine this going down. So I had a little bit of a slower last couple days on the channel, not getting as many views, but I looked back and I'm already still on pace to beat last month's revenue. So that's just amazing. That's just something that is amazing to think about. And as we continue to grow, as the channel continues to grow, it'll be easier and easier to make more money. So I want to say thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everyone that's clicked on an affiliate link, everyone that's hit the like button, everyone that's commented, everyone that has subscribed, anything that you've done for this channel. Obviously, it's working. We're pretty much doubling every month or so, every month and a half, every 2 months, something like that, gaining about 1,000 subscribers a week. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Hopefully I continue to provide you guys value and you guys feel like you're part of this community. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I will try to specifically answer all the questions. It's been harder and harder over the last couple weeks with getting maybe 300 to 500 comments on some of my videos. It's hard to actually write a response to every comment because that literally takes hours, but I will do my best to do that for this video. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.